Hello guys, yes, I'm back. It's me Adele and welcome back to our new vlog for today. And yes, I'm off and like this vlog is about like not really exciting but I just wanted to share that I'm going to do my swab test because on our company they provide a weekly swab. So I'm doing mine now, and then we go walk to one of the post, red post, which has a priority to put all the swab test then, and then they collect it also this day. So I have to do this, and then within an hour I have to post it. So this is the kit. We have a kit, and then yes, we do it like weekly. So it's my second time to swab myself. No, it's third time. Well, I'll show you what it kits look like. Okay, kit look like. Alright guys, so that's the kit. I already opened it because I'm going to do it quickly. So that's the kit, and then that's the box. So I have to make it, and then so we have this, oops, with the barcode. Okay, yeah, I'll do it later. So it has the focus, and then they have barcodes, the seal, and then they got the swab, and then this one I have to put it on the clear glass basket, clear plastic in here. Then they provide also a booklet. Okay, so I'm going to do it. Okay, and then I'll be right back. So that's the box, guys. I already assembled it ready. So I'm going to do the swab now. And then after that, I will put it in here on the clear paper. And then put it on this one with the silver sealed. And then this silver sheet, I put it in here. And then this one to seal it in here. So this box, that's the box that I'm going to post on a priority NHS red post. So they can collect it also today. Okay guys, let's do the swab. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay guys, I already take it out and then do it. Make sure you already clean your nose, alright? 10 seconds. Woo! Okay, so this is the swab. I have to put it here. Naiyak ako. Then, where's that? There's a there that you have to fold it. Okay. Put it down. Close, make it sure it's there. And then we're going to put it here with the absorbing. Like that. Okay. And then let's put it here. And then take the silver out. Oh! I think I put it. Sealed. And then let's Alright guys, so that is it. I already managed to put it on. And then I'll be right back. Guys, ang sobrang lamig. Yan guys, punta na kami sa magulog na kami ng aking skit sa post. Hindi na ako nag-makeup guys. Tinatamad ako. Actually, tinatamad talaga ako lumabas pero kailangan eh. So yan, balikan ko kayo eh. Medyo nagka-abirya lang ako sa pag-registered pero okay naman. Yes, we're going to cross. Yes guys, so see you in a bit. Sana naririnig nyo ko. Bye! See you in a bit. That's the town hall. Punta tayo doon. Malapit lang dito. Para i-drop natin ang ating test kit. Come on.
Come on.
Yay! Come on, let's go. We're done. Yay, yay. Alright guys, yes, we're done. Already posted, so I'll have to wait for maybe 2 to 3 days to get the result, and hopefully everything will be okay. And we're about to have a walk this afternoon. Okay guys, see you next time. See you next time guys. Bye. Bye. Hope you can hear me. Yeah, that's why I didn't put makeup because I'm going to cover it anyway. So yes, this is the town look like at night. Not that really night already. It's, what time is it now? 4:30? Something 4:30 or nearly 5. So that's the black and white town, house.